Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 closed below a key level on Wednesday. The benchmark index fell 1.4%, ending the day below the 4,200 level that was being widely watched by chart analysts. It was the first time the S&P 500 closed below this threshold since May. Stock losses accelerated during the session after the benchmark broke that level. The Nasdaq Composite lost 2.4% for its worst day since Feb 21, when the index shed 2.5%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.3%. Alphabet shares tumbled more than 9% as its cloud business missed analyst estimates, overshadowing its strong revenue growth and earnings beat. Shares of peer tech behemoths Apple and Amazon slipped 1.4% and nearly 6% respectively. Amazon is set to report third quarter results after the closing bell on Thursday. Microsoft stood out as an outlier among this decline in tech stocks on Tuesday, with shares gaining 2.8% after first quarter results beat Wall Street estimates. Meta has reported results after the bell. Meta reported better than expected results for the third quarter, with revenue increasing by 23%, marking the fastest growth rate since 2021. Following this announcement, the company's stock surged more than 4% in extended trading on Wednesday. Meta is seeing faster growth in its core digital ads business as clients rebound from a tough 2022 when revenue dropped for 3 straight quarters. IBM also reported results after the bell, in which the third quarter results exceeded Wall Street estimates, with an 8% increase in software sales contributing to this performance. To meet its 2023 target, the company needs to generate $5.4 billion in free cash flow in the fourth quarter, a goal higher than its earnings for the first 9 months of the year. About 29% of S&P 500 companies have posted third quarter earnings thus far. Of those companies, 78% have exceeded expectations. While corporate earnings maintain investor focus this week, investors also kept an eye on yields as they hovered near multi-year highs. The benchmark 10-year Treasury yield climbed 11 basis points to 4.954%. It traded above 5% early in the week, which rattled investors and hit tech shares. Turning to US sectors now, utilities and consumer staples were the only 2 sectors that closed higher overnight. Communication services fell by more than 5%, largely driven by the dismal results from Alphabet and the losses from Apple and Amazon. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.3% fall. Thank you for listening.